You said, you called on your supporters to resume the march towards the capital, Islamabad, and you said that you would rejoin it, health permitting. This begs the question, are you ready really to do so, given the dangers you just described?
Well, you know, Mark, the thing is, I am a firm believer in my faith, which says the time, you know, death is in the Almighty's hands. You know, we take precautions. I will take more precautions than before. But that is not going to stop me. The fear of death is not going to stop me from pursuing what I believe is a mission to fight for rule of law in this country. This is the big problem we have. We have institutions that are above law. We have these political mafias which are above law. And that's the reason why the country can't prosper. So this is